2-bedroom extension on an existing house is so easy, and gives you another 50 square metres. I paid altogether about 2,000, including the extension for the barbecue area and the air conditioning units. But only 10 days to build it. So basically all you're doing is putting a slab down and then buy the Acorn blocks and then join onto your existing house. The existing house was here, that's the existing building here, and that's the air condition there, and next to it is a concrete pillars there at the back. So easy. And just put a slope roof on it, which is so easy to do. Buy 3 windows, and then after, or 4 windows, and this one's 4, sorry, not 3. The new one's 4, this one's 3, and I put a bathroom in the middle. But the bathroom's 2 metres by 2 metres, so it's really nice. And easy to build. But people waste so much money, the thousands or millions and millions on stupid houses that they can build for a fraction. And then second-hand houses didn't sell, so if you're in one, just make use of it. That's the back of the building here. Another window there, another air condition. But very easy to do. And then the slope is easy. At the moment I'm building a tiny house. It's bigger than the extension, mind you. For at the moment I'm up to 80,000. Hope to finish it for about 1.5, and then I'll show you that next week. But it's a good size 1-bedroom, and it's got a kitchen in it, shower suite. But people go crazy. They spend so much money on stupid houses and they leave themselves skint. And I'll say, personally, out of the people that I've talked to, so many go home. They go home empty-handed. They've spent all their money and they've got no savings left. So be careful what you're doing when you're over-investing, because the property is no yours and the land's no yours. So if you've got an honest wife, you're laughing. So, but you've got to be very careful, because lots will just take you to the cleaners. Okay, so that's my 2-bedroom extension. The rooms are about 4 by 3, something like that. They're no big, but good enough for spare bedrooms. But I bought this 2 years ago, and I've never stayed in one of the rooms at all. I just use it for a storage for stuff, and that's it. So 2-bedroom extension, and then you can add the roof further over and build a barbecue area. So it's up to you, I mean, whatever you want to do. But building a new house is super cheap. But so many people they're no builders, just put a heavy concrete slab and build off the slab and keep the height keep the property height no so high, and easy to build. Just the Acorn blocks and the windows and the roof. Okay doke.